Good morning, Foundations of Algebra. I know you're probably wondering, what are we going to do this week? And I want to tell you that I will not be here today. It's Tuesday right now. And I will not be here tomorrow. And then Thursday and Friday, this is what we're going to do. All right, you listening? We are going to present your math applications from your Choose Your Major project. So I don't know, what you've done this far individually on your Choose Your Major project, but today and tomorrow it's time to put the pedal to the metal and make sure that you have 2 math applications from your major that correspond to something you've learned, and you've learned so much this year in our class, okay? So you gotta find something, and what did that math application look like? We need to know the topic of the math application and the topic of the real world application. The topic of the math topic, with vertical angles or slope or something like that. The math application in the real world, like, building a steam engine. Not that anybody should be studying building a steam engine, but, And then, so you get those 2 topics. Then you talk about the math topic. In class, we learned about this slope example. See, you take these 2 points and you use this equation, and then you calculate it and you get the slope, and that means this of the line. Really be able to explain the math topic from class so that we understand, that you understand what it is. Then explain what you learned about in your Choose Your Major project. I'm going to continue with my steam engine example. All right, so I learned, in my steam engine class, in Khan Academy, which doesn't really exist, that, they take the water and it boils and it creates a steam, and then, the rate of the steam, that's the slope, and it's very important that it's above this certain level, and so we need to calculate the slope of the steam. I'm making this up in order to be able to make the engine have power. And so you can see that the slope concept that I learned in math class is really important in building the steam engine, because if we're not able to calculate the slope, then we can't actually build a functioning engine. You see how I did that? I just took 2 concepts, one real world concept and one concept from class, and even though I made that one up, this is, you're not going to make it up. You're gonna have a for real thing, because you are going to spend time today and tomorrow studying in your Choose Your Major project in preparation for this. All right, and it's going to be 2 assessment grades. That's why I need you to do 2 math applications. So have fun, do work, don't just socialize and not do anything and then get 2 zeros to end the year. All right, let's get everybody get A's, honor Mr. Field in his absence by doing hard work and not just saying it's the last week, Don't do that. All right, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.